Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. I am going to show you a bunch of new clothes for the SHEIN Incubator collab. So this is where SHEIN has collaborated with a bunch of up-and-coming designers, and some of the stuff is really exciting and really fresh and a new take on fashion. And for it to be on SHEIN, it's super affordable and approachable for you to go ahead and try some interesting designer pieces to add into your wardrobe to just give you a little bit of a flair. So if you want to check out the new collections from SHEIN Incubator collab, definitely keep on watching. So let's jump right in. I do have a bunch of pieces for you guys today. Here are all the pieces. I do have them hanging up because I'm trying to stay organized, you guys. So as soon as I do the haul, I want to go ahead and just hang all the pieces up, or, you know, put them away, because my place is becoming overrun with clothes, hair, fashion, shoes, bags. Like, it's getting really crazy, but I'm super excited because, as you guys know, my brand is going further. Well, it's going further into hair, but it's also reaching out into lifestyle. And so I'm super excited to be collaborating with more and more brands that are not just hair. All that being said, let's jump right in. So these were a pair of pants that I did try out. These ones are super cute. They do have the like flare on the side that I definitely did like. They also have a pocket. The only thing I wasn't crazy about these pants was the bottom. I don't feel like they sat properly at the bottom. Now you can unzip them, and they do have that zip and unzip feature, but I wasn't super crazy about how they sat on my waist. So these were sort of a no for me. Hate to start off with this, but yeah, these were sort of a no for me. I love the color though. Kelly green is definitely a color for the season. So when you see something in Kelly green, I would definitely say give it a try, but for my shape, these didn't work out for me. The next piece is this gorgeous piece here. This screams like up and coming designer to me. It screams everything that designers love to play around with: textures, colors, prints, and different cuts. I love this dress. I do feel like this dress is a little thin and feels a little less of a high quality, but the concept of this dress is everything. I would love to see this dress executed in a different type of fabric. I think that's the only downside for this dress. The cut of it, the style, it's interesting, the pattern, the print, the fit of the dress. I love that it's like very dramatic here and very short, with the asymmetric line at the hem. I just love this dress. I love everything about it except for the fabric. Next is this beautiful piece here. This piece will quickly become a staple in my collection. I love the sleeves. I love the puffed at the shoulder. It's not too over dramatic. It's just enough. I love the length of the top. I did say I was going to move away from crop tops, but this one is absolutely beautiful. I love this detail and the side buttons. This is just definitely a simple white top, but done with a flair. And I'm just really loving that this Incubator collab is giving us different cuts, different thoughts on something that you've seen before. This is a white, you know, staple top, but we have it in a very interesting cut with interesting pieces that just bring it from normal to elevated. These shorts are absolutely gorgeous. They are so thick, so full. You can tell it's real felt. This material is just so thick and so rich. You can tell it's quality. You have your pockets. It's just a really thick quality material. I love these shorts. I would definitely be pairing these with a nice thick stocking and a nice boot. I will be rocking these all winter long. It just screams quality and the type of fabrics that I love to wear, and I love wearing shorts in the winter. So with them being so nice and thick and high quality, I'll definitely be wearing these with my boots and my tights all winter long. I'm so happy I have these shorts, and I would definitely recommend them. Next is another Incubator piece. Again, the concept of this dress is absolutely stunning. The execution feels a little low quality to me. Not the ruffle, oddly enough. The ruffle of this tulle and the layering of it is actually beautiful. It's just the quality of the material of the dress that I'm not crazy about, and this black fabric. It just feels like broadcloth, and I would love for it to be just a higher quality cotton, almost something with like a sateen sheen to it, or just something a little more higher quality. But this dress looks amazing on the concept of this mod neckline, this flare skirt ruffle at the bottom. I love the concept of it. I love seeing fresh new designers on SHEIN. It just gives you a breath of fresh air to see different cuts and different styles coming out. I love this style of a dress. Again, I would love to see this elevated. Next is this top. Now, I do have it wrapped around the hanger because that's how I tend to hang up tops like this. I love this top. This top is absolutely beautiful. It shows a lot of cleavage, which I love. And yeah, I absolutely love it. Now in the clip that I'm showing you guys, I wasn't wearing a bra with it, but in reality, I will definitely be wearing a bra with this, but I'll be wearing my Savage X Fenty, what do you call this? Strapless bra. Now I do have this bra in every color that they offer because this bra is amazing. I would say if nothing else you purchase from Savage Fenty, try out the strapless bra. It does come with straps that are removable, but this bra is amazing. I mean, it holds you up. It does have three hook and eyes, and it just matches with everything, and it also is going to give you the support that you need, but you can also wear it as a garment because underneath this it looks like a piece of clothing, but it also serves as a bra and support. So I would definitely recommend, if nothing else, from Savage X Fenty, try out the strapless bra. And next, love this piece. This one is pretty much almost like the star of the show. I love this piece. I love anything that's giving like a mod, I just said this, a mod retro feel, but I also love clothes that are versatile. This top can be worn in the front or in the back. This is the front of the top. The top is meant to be worn this direction, but you can also wear it in this direction. And I believe in the clip I am wearing the Savage X Fenty strapless bra. So again, you can wear this as a piece of clothing. So yeah, I love pieces like this. The fabric on this, the fabric choice on this is just excellent. The photo doesn't give it credit on the site. This fabric is so beautiful. The inner lining is beautiful. This top is beautifully made, and I cannot wait to wear this. So I would definitely recommend this top if you like crop tops and things like that. This is a statement top, and I cannot wait to wear it in so many different ways. I'll be wearing this all winter long. It's nice and thick and just a beautiful fabric. I love garments that have a body on their own. Like when you see a piece of clothing that has its own shape, when you put it onto your body, it will give you even more shape. I love garments like that because if it looks good on its own, it's gonna look even better on you. And so this piece is just that. Love this, would highly recommend. Another piece, same thing, retro vibe. Another star of the show. I wasn't sure how this piece was gonna go, but this piece is definitely one of my favorites. Maybe my favorite piece. Between these two, my favorites, but I really found a lot of winners this time. This piece does button down in the front, so you can slip it on that way, but if you have too many hips, I kind of have hips, so you can unzip it as well, so you can figure out which way is easier for you to get into it. What I ended up doing was unzipping it, unbuttoning it, and pulling it up. But sometimes if you have too many hips, it might be easier to just pull it down. Love that this dress has a balloon at the bottom that is stabilized through an elastic band at the bottom. Love that. And these are things that I feel like new designers will take chances, will take risks, and do things like this. And I just love that breath of fresh air. So kudos to SHEIN for doing this designer incubator. I love the concept of it, and I think the pieces are just so interesting and so different. And it's just very exciting. Sometimes clothing can just become boring, and you start to just like what you see, but in reality you like a lot more than that, but it's not being offered. And so I love this concept. So when they came to me about the incubator, I was like, here for it. The next piece, this one isn't a part of the incubator actually. This one is a part of a collection that I love from SHEIN. I cannot get enough of it. It's the Motif collection. I feel like the collection is always very elevated in terms of its fabrics, in terms of its cut, and in terms of the wearability of the clothing. The clothing in Motif, I feel like you can wear it to work, to church, to the office, to happy hour, and you could even dress it up to a nice dinner. I love pieces like that. Adding those types of pieces into my collection always feel like they're well worth the money and well worth my time of adding them into my collection. And I love that Motif is higher quality and is elevated, but it's not that much more expensive than the regular SHEIN pieces. So I love that about it as well. It's very accessible. And another piece from Motif, it's this orangey tan sort of color. It's an oversized trench coat, and it's made from faux leather. And when I tell you, you can probably see how I'm just touching it and feeling it. When I tell you this feels like butter, it feels like butter. If you are a leather person and you know leather, so there's all different types of leather, right? There's pebble leather, there's faux leather, there's goat skin, there's lamb skin, there's suede, there's all types of different leather. The softest and most supple type of leather is lambskin, and that's what this feels like. It's literally just like so soft and buttery, and just, I mean, look at how it moves. Like, you can tell it doesn't even fold, it just melts, and I love that. This jacket feels so great on, and surprisingly it's warm. So I would definitely recommend this jacket. Now, it is oversized, so it's not going to give you a lot of shape, but the quality is there, and I love it. I absolutely love it. And another piece is this beautiful bright lemon yellow skirt. I love a good pleated skirt, and SHEIN just always does them so well. So whenever I see them, I always grab them in whatever color I'm feeling at the moment. I know it's about to be winter time, and yellow seems to be more of a summery shade, but I will definitely be wearing this winter. I think this skirt is absolutely beautiful, and yellow always looks amazing on melanin skin, so I'm here for it. I popped this baby on and it fits amazing. The waistband looks so good. It has a great sheen to it, and the texture of the fabric feels great. I am kind of like a fabric snob, so anytime the fabric is great, I'm here for it. If the fabric feels cheap and it just feels like, you know, it doesn't feel good to touch, I'm probably not gonna wear it, you guys. But so that's that. And then lastly is this skirt. I love this skirt. I love it so much I didn't even want to take it off. So love this skirt. I wasn't sure about it because I wasn't sure if it was gonna feel cheap or look cheap, but it really doesn't. I know I need to iron it. It will look way better once it's ironed, but I love this color, and lilac is a color for the season. Some of the top colors for the season are this lavender lilac shade. Another color for the season is clearly Kelly Green. That's not going anywhere. Bottega Veneta has literally solidified Kelly Green as an it shade, and I don't see that color going anywhere. Also winter white. Winter white is going to be a huge color this season, so my next thing is my next purchase is going to be a winter white coat. I don't know if it's going to be leather or faux leather, or potentially like a big plush coat. I've been looking for one. If you guys know of a good winter white coat, let me know. Hey y'all, so sorry, I totally forgot a few pieces that I definitely wanted to show you because I do love them, and I just so happened to be checking my closets and I found them and I was like, oh shoot, they're a part of this clothing haul as well. So this piece I'm so excited about. The fit on this is so beautiful. The quality of the fabric is really, really nice, and I love the design of this. This color, as I said, Kelly Green, is definitely trending, and the length of it is perfect. It makes it so you can literally wear it anywhere, dress it up or dress it down, and it just looks really great on the body. It's hot. This is very hot, so just be careful wearing it. You know, don't layer too much or have too many clothes on with this, because this one is really hot. The next piece is this beautiful blazer. I was on the fence about this blazer. I just wasn't sure how this blazer would work out. This blazer does come with a pair of shorts. I almost wish I had gotten the shorts now because this blazer does look really, really great. So I think I'm gonna double back and get the shorts that go with it. But yeah, I just love how this blazer fits. I went ahead and rolled the sleeves, which I always do with my blazers, and I just love the fit of it. It's a very relaxed fit, but at the same time it's not oversized. Sometimes I just get tired of an oversized blazer. Sometimes I do love it, but other times I'm just like, give me something with a fit, and this one has a great fit to it. And lastly is this top. This one is from the collection Motif. Again, I love their pieces. They're just pieces that I can incorporate into my wardrobe and wear over and over, time and time again. And it's just staple pieces that you can just wear 100 different ways and just elevate your look very easily. And so I got this top in cream. It's nice and long. You can wear it so many different ways. It is sheer, but I layer it with my, again, y'all, this is the key right here. I layer it with my mesh Savage X Fenty mesh strapless bra, and even though this is mesh and sheer and this is sheer, together it isn't sheer anymore, so you can't see through it, but it does give you another layer of protection. But anyway, you guys, this is the haul. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, thanks so much for watching. Share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a clothing haul lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.